Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use Proficonf on mobile devices. To work in Proficonf on smartphones or tablets, you can use devices with Android operating system. Supported browsers: Google Chrome, Opera Mobile, Mozilla Firefox. You can also use Apple mobile devices with iOS. Supported browser: Safari. The Proficonf special feature is working in browsers, even from mobile devices without downloading any applications. To create an event, go to the Proficonf website in your favorite browser. You then need to sign into the service. Press Login. If you don't have an account in Proficonf, click the button Sign Up and Check In. Once authorized, you will be redirected to the event page. Here you can click on the button of 3 lines at the top of the left, and in the drop-down menu go to the page Files, My Profile, Billing, or Sign Out. To wrap the drop-down menu, click on the button in the form of a cross. You can create an instant event by pressing the Start button, or scheduled by pressing the Schedule button. In the form to create the event, enter the name of the event. If you want to make the room permanent, pull the switch button to the right, select date and time. Roles for invited participants: speaker or viewer. To make the event private, activate this option. Also, if you are the owner of the premium plan, you can activate the automatic record and the function of redirecting participants after the event. After activating the redirection function, add a web address to the input field. Click the Create button. Let's go to the event room and get acquainted with the interface. When you enter the conference room first, the browser will request permission to use the camera and microphone. Click the Allow button in the pop-up box. If you have blocked access or closed a window, you can give permission by pressing the Lock button near the browser address bar. Select the Permissions option and provide permission for the camera and microphone. To enable the camera and microphone, click the appropriate interface buttons at the top of the screen. To hide interface buttons and icons from participants' videos and see only the main screen, press once on any area of the screen. Click on the screen again to display the interface buttons. You can go to the conference chat by clicking on the chat icon. The share section on mobile devices is not available. The host can upload files and have access to the storage, but cannot display any material at the share section. You can also use the horizontal position of the device to hold the event. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.